Dandy's World. Come on, I'm recording now. Ha! What is wrong with you? Stop it!
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where you guys?
I can't hear anything. Hinaan mo na! Okay. Everyone, where are you? Come here. Come to me. I'm a tissue box. Tissue box.
Why?
Because I can.
Asan kayo mga niga?
Is this
Okay,
Kuya Ryle?
Oh, Kuya Ral girl.
Yeah.
Come on.
Tangin mo dahil, sintuan tayo. Sintuan tayo. Ay, napapalag naman ako
Ayan,
eh.
ilan na? Okay, come on. All three of us.
Hoy, tingin nyo ako.
Saan kayo? Ang kasi ang slow mo, jeez.
Asan ba kayo?
Follow us, oh my god. Slowpoke. Hoy!
Kasi dahil nyo nawala.
Followin mo ako, Jesus.
Nigger ka, Zayn nigger.
Tayo dito.
Zayn nigger, Zayn nigger.
Trio run. I'll carry us. I'll distract the
Ready na ka, katagal.
Minte ka kaya.
Hey.
I'm gonna distract the Twisteds. Actually, I'm gonna become
Did you die?
I see dancing tain ni man.
Dagi, dagi, da, oh.
I'm gonna kick you right in the balls.
Are you recording? Oh yeah.
Yes, I'm recording.
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Dagi, dagi, da, oh.
I don't like this anymore. Oh. Guys, I'll be healer. I'll heal you guys.
Gida, oh. I've been buried.
I'll probably die.
Where did you come from? Where did you go?
Kasi look at Cosmo's skill check.
Dagi, dagi, da, oh. I've been married a long time ago.
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Gigalajo.
Yes. I've been married.
I'll heal you guys. I'm a healer.
Tagal naman.
Minta ka kaya. Ang patience sa buhay mo. Kapag nakita kayo ng band-aid or medkit, bigay mo sa akin.
Ah! Someone is chasing me.
I know.
Good for you.
Someone chasing my
I hope someone chase me.
You mean?
Y'all do the machines, I can't, or else I die.
Or
Stop! Stop!
Why?
Kuya, trying to kill me! Namatay siya! Oh, heal kita. Wait lang, heal kita.
Oh gosh!
Oh,
Thank you.
pagkain.
I hate this.
La? Hindi po.
I got
Mga turn
to.
up. Ay, naku, na-heal kita na! Namatay pa!
Ay,
Ow!
na lang ako.
Kailangan
I'm
na.
in one heart.
Kailangan
And
natin
I'm
ng...
gonna die.
Kailangan natin ng team.
Heal me first.
One died.
Wala, wait lang, naka-hold down ako.
Guys, Zayn, watch and learn. I'm gonna outrun this shit. Don't worry.
Kaya mo ba?
Yes.
You have one heart.
Hindi ko yan. Floor 1, namatay kayo dalawa na.
Bro, because it's so
Kapag hindi ko na-heal si Kuya Ran, mamamatay to.
Game.
You have two hearts?
Game mode.
Yeah, kasi I'm healing.
Because I have 0 hearts.
Oo, kasi patay ko. Oh,
Okay.
I want one heart na.
Wait, ganun ba?
Oo, I give you my hearts. That's why I need to get medkit so I can heal my hearts back and then I can heal you.
did
Okay,
you do?
gida, gidi, gida, gida. Oh.
What did you do?
Oy,
What
may
did you
zombie
press?
yan, may zombie yan.
I press this.
Yung siya, may zombie, be careful.
Kasi sorry, let me explain to you. Wait, I'm gonna hide over here.
We need a team, bro. just
I know.
tried the gun.
Okay, explain ko sa'yo. See this? My ability. I can use that to heal someone, but when I heal someone, I lose a heart.
Yeah. If you do that again, you will.
I can't. When you're on one heart, I can't do it.
Yeah.
I need to get a med kit or something, or a band-aid. And then if I get that, then, you know, heal. I gave...
Ay,
Dumb.
bobo. Ganun pala yun. Sorry, akin. Bubo ako, bubo. Bubo ako, guys, bubo.
Start over na lang tayo. Mag-start over na lang tayo!
I got you, guys, I got you. Kaya mag-alala, di ako magpapatalo.
You watch me to die. I'm on one
Boy
heart.
ko pa ba? Boy ko pa ba?
Oh, isang heart lang ako. Mamamatay ako kapag na-hit ako once.
Mutik na,
GG mo.
Uy, nasa na ba yung box? I-distract nyo nga.
Hindi ko kaya! Ay, namatay na ako!
Wait lang, watch nyo guys. Great job.
Kuya Ryle, something's behind
Guys,
you.
do you think I can get this?
No.
If I get this,
Kailangan mo ilagay sa great job. Gida. Oh, I've been married a long time ago.
what the nigger? What the nigger? What the nigger? What the nigger? Guys, do you think I can solo?
Probably not. The cousins are playing. I don't think so. Naka one heart ka. Hindi ka masolo.
I can defeat this shit.
Kita ko yung box.
Too
Si-
easy.
Tisha.
Are you guys watching?
Sachi. Ugly ay to. Teka. Mag-stamina. Use your stamina.
Gida.
Wala naman behind you na. Namatakbo ka pa rin.
Yan.
Guys, tignan nyo kung meron ha.
Sige.
Guys, kinakabahan ako. Guys, huwag nyo tuwa na. Tatay na ako. Guys, may zombie na ba? Oy, tulungan niyo ako.
Patay ako. Patay na ako. Hindi ko kaya. My heart.
I can do this.
Kita mo ka baka ako. Hey, Kuya Ral!
Wala. Saan pa yung...
Wala yan. Wala dyan nga!
Opo. Asan?
Ewan ko. Ay, yun yung tissue box. Tisha.
Huwag nyo na po ako
Uy, patay ka.
Mabait po akong bata.
Nakita ka!
Hindi.
Nga mo.
Hindi po. Huwag po. Mabait po
Nag-kidnap
ako.
kasi ka.
Mabait po akong bata.
Hindi yan si Granny. Ito si Granny.
Mabait po ako.
Hindi ito si Granny.
Mabait po akong bata. Mamahalin ko po kayo.
Kaya mo ba? Para jump scare ka.
Oy, baka mag-live kayo ah. Watch nyo rin guys.
Nandito ba ako naman ako?
Ay, meron pa pala dito.
Napunta ka na. Ayan.
Ay, dalawa.
Ayan.
Yes!
Huwag
Guys,
kinain
tignan nyo
mo.
kasi.
Tinitignan kita.
Huwag ako, na yung matay. Ano ba yung magkaiba pag great job is good job?
But great job. It's not really that fast. Kapag great job. Kapag great job, then pass. Kapag good job, hindi naman. Ay, kita ko. May napas. Bakit?
Guys, mahihimatay na ako. Ah, si Dayon.
Patay na. Naman naot sa'yo.
Tapos saan ako?
Ay,
Saan ako pupunta pag ano?
Pupunta ka sa elevator.
Saan?
Magbibigay ka ng arrow kapag tapos na. Ay, kita ko. Kita.
Hindi ko siya. Takot yung
Ang ganda mo, Kuya Ryan. Ang ganda mo, Kuya Ryan. Ayun. I can't. Oh my God. Ang tagal mo. Galing. Okay. Rejoin. Punta kayo sa akin. Join niyo ako.
Ay, buisit.
Hi.
Umutot ka?
No.
Ano siya? Putong mo ko yan.
Not my problem. That's just not my problem. Okay, guys. We need the team. Saan kayo?
I'm right here.
Guys, papakita ko na kayo. Alam niyo bang magiging ako dito?
Ha?
Oo, magiging ako dito.
Where are you?
Ayun. Punta ka sa akin. Come on, follow. Join mo si Toodles ito. ABC, sa ABC. Mag-ABC.
What is 53?
Huh? I'll tell you about that later. Join mo muna to. Make sure to be on your run. Press the your run button. Don't run around. Just hey, ABC. Oh my God. Tagal mo. Tagal. ABCD. Sabihin mo lang ABC. Stop! D-U-B, Q-R-S, D-U-B, W-X, Y-N-Z. Hindi kailangan. Get ready with your run and then run expertise. Tagal mo, Doodles.
Sino ba, Doodles?
Ito, Doodles.
Sino ba dyan?
Ito, yung, who I'm, like, literally, ay, go, mga tae! Go! Saan si Zion? Oh, labas! Come on, guys. Come on. Tayo na lang.
Basic.
Again?
Tayo na lang. Ay, ito, random person who joined. Thank you. Heal ko kayo. Ay, noob siya. Come on, follow me. Get out of there. I'm gonna go start a run. Huwag ka mag A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. May nakopy sa'yo! Ay, wag. Wait lang.
Tantag mo na lang.
Wait lang. Mamamatay ka.
Hindi.
What the hell? Mag-ABC!
A, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J,
Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna say go. Get ready. 1, 2.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Get ready!
Okay, dito.
Go over here. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Go.
Go. Diyan, here.
Si Zion nandito. Uy, ba't may lamaw? Lang.
Pasukin niyo yung may para-para.
Paro-paro. Pasukin natin yung paro-paro.
Three of us. And they hold.
Tagalog!
Hindi naman ito nakakatakot. Vision na lang ito.
Oo, hindi. Pero ang lore nila, ang ganda. Sino nagte-text na sa akin?
Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh,
Oh, it's time. Guys,
I'm gonna be healed.
I'm gonna be Cosmo. I'll heal you guys. Don't worry.
By your heart.
Somebody's
Oh my
healer
god.
too.
No, I'm the only healer.
Yeah. I got it.
Save, med, and band.
Here's only box. It's going to be...
Not me. I'm not a distractor. I'm literally a healer. Zion. What's your Zion?
Where am I?
Ewan ko.
What do you want?
Sayon wants to book me. Sayon is so foggy.
Let's get it.
Guys, protect me. I'm a healer and I need to heal you guys.
Yeah.
Kapag ayaw mo mag-protect sa akin, hindi ko i-heal kita. You can die. Yeah.
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 Ilan nabawasan ako?
Uy, wag ka mag-run dyan!
Huh?
Kapag nag-run ka sa circle, don't run in the circle! Wait! Oh.
Thank you.
My gosh. Huwag ka mag-run sa circle.
Lock it.
Ang kinalaman.
Kapag naka-stand up pa rin siya, huwag ka pumunta dyan kasi attack ka.
Sorry. Kasi... Ay, may boss
Tago ako.
Oh no, there's a circle. Don't go there.
Circle.
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 Where's that?
Eh, show naman sa'yo. Kalbo.
That's your shell. Look at this.
Nagnakaw ng piso. Kalbo, masamang tao. Nagnakaw ng piso. Yay.
Who's the last
Static.
one?
This ghost? Is this ghost?
Oh god. Oh gosh, oh yeah.
Huwag niyo pigain.
Not
Pigain. Sabi ko pigain. Oh my god, yes,
here. I
queen.
was the first here.
Come on.
Bye-bye, Ben.
Kuya, Ral, ikaw ba yan?
Oh.
Uy. Ah! Oh my gosh, kayo.
What is the good item here?
Ay, walang naman heals para sa akin.
I'm favorite number.
Very good.
How many tips do you have?
436.
I don't know.
Fuck you, Nico.
Spelled candy. That's it. Bye. Can I
Ba't
go?
kayo lahat naka 2 hearts? My gosh.
Hindi ako. Not me.
Oh, galing mo Zion. Ay, may naka 1 heart la. Come over here, Roger! Hihil kita.
Go.
Parang si Roger.
Isang heart lang ako.
Oh god. No. I gonna hide. Here.
Kapag kayo ay... Please.
Oh god.
Please. Zion!
Ah.
I'm not healing anyone else. I'm on 1 heart.
Oh.
Isang puso lang ako meron.
Just one. Yes.
May chance pa ba na makakuha ng
Where?
bandage? Wala namang bandage eh.
Meron!
I have a horn. Oh gosh, you got to hide. I got to hide. Jimmy! Ah!
Puro candy na lang nakukuha ko.
Alam ko. You didn't see me. Oh gosh. I don't have stamina. Yeah! Me don't have stamina. I'm going to die soon.
You have 3 hearts, it's fine.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Just lose 1 heart, it's
Uy, ba't
okay.
nyo nilagay dito?
Hala, may isa.
Yeah, another.
Sayo naman, may nag-ano eh.
Okay. Me down na. Run.
Dahil distract mo na.
Mata ako.
Wag siya.
Hala, ba't pa siya nag-box kung di niya i-distract?
Kasi Poppy ang distractor. Si Boxy na yung extractor. Extract.
Pakinig ko kayo dito.
Okay.
Kainin kita. I'm a hide.
Sino pa to?
I'm a hide. I have one heart. Ay, matay na ako.
It's almost done.
Gising ka doon.
You need bubble. Oh, wow.
Nakatay si Kuya.
There. Go! Oh, tama na daw.
Makbo na ako. Isang puso lang ako sa buhay ko. Saan ka?
That was close.
Kaya ka lang ba, Kuya Ray?
Asan ikaw?
Ano, nanino. Gusto mo kumain?
There's one player.
Suppression. Spiffy.
There. Oh.
Masama ang mga kalbo. Nagnakaw ng piso.
Where are you? There you are.
Dami lang. Ay, tayo po siya na.
Did you die? Did you die? Someone died?
No, I didn't.
Did I say really not? Ooh, some bubble gum.
Ay, tayo. Uy, Watch it na, baby. Kaya ko na. Hindi ko na kaya. Mamamatay na. Ako kaya. Ayoko na.
Tara guys, tara na.
Tara, tatakbo na. Isang bata. Umiiyak na.
Let's go.
Guys. May isa pa. Ba't ako? Ay, tayo. Naman na.
Saan ba? Oh gosh. We got to hide.
Nakala ko zombie.
Ba't ako? Anong ginawa ko? Bulag siya. Oh, sino namatay? I'm gonna come after you in real life.
Namatay bubo.
Got to go.
Who just made me die?
Kuya niya nag-distract ka na.
Hey.
Hala ko, kaduga. Ni. Yung countdown, ba't ganun?
Baka naka one heart. I mean, one battery life.
Putang ina.
I have 2 hearts then. What the hell happened?
Huwag ka nagwawat dahil bata ka pa.
9 years old yan. Nagwawatahil ako since 8 years old.
Wala, kailangan pa bang gayahin? Alam ng masama.
Bakit konti na?
Hindi naman.
Okay. Oh, I want some pop.
Bandy, bigyan mo ako ng medkit.
Okay, I got some popcorn.
Okay, kit mo.
Why no bandages, bro?
Pwede mo ang charger, Kuya Ral?
Why, you're low bat? Well, I'm not.
Saan? Ano naman? Wala akong mata.
Some candy.
Bulag ako.
I mean more. I'm going to do it. heart ready. How about yours? I'm ready in one heart. You then?
Ako, talaga be.
I'm so scared.
Ano ba yan?
I don't want to. I'm so scared.
I'm gonna die, bro.
Me then.
Shut
I
up.
have one heart.
Shut up.
Mr. Napkin, I mean, Miss Napkin just hurt me. That hurt. Really, that hurt. Don't go here. Please. Say bye-bye to me at Hersha. Ah!
Yay, I got one heart. Oh, Shan.
Come on.
Drama sa labas.
Please. Somebody get. I am one.
I forgot. Oh, I forgot I can run.
Ah! Phew. I mean, a heart. Why is that chocolate too?
Ako din.
I got this. What the hell is this?
Italo.
What is this do?
Papaluin kita. Spark plug.
That? What does that do? I am one heart. Oh, come on! I'm dead.
Oh, I almost died.
Okay, I will watch you because I'm dead.
Oh my god, she's the person who took the band.
I know. The bubble girl.
Bubble?
That's a bubble.
No, she's a poppy.
What?
She's poppy.
I know.
She's not a bubble, she's a baba.
Oh, okay.
But anyway,
Oh.
this is turning boring. So goodbye, guys.